Many people think artificial intelligence and machine learning are the same, but in reality, they are not. So, what exactly is the difference? Let's understand it in the simplest way. Welcome back to our AI learning series. In our previous video, we explored how AI is used in real life. Now, to go one step deeper, we need to understand an important concept: the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. First of all, let us understand artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence or AI is a broad concept. It refers to machines performing tasks that normally require human intelligence, like understanding language, recognizing images, and making decisions. But here is something very important: AI is a big field, and machine learning is a part of it. Machine learning is a subset of AI. It means machines learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. In simple words, we don't give fixed instructions. We give data and the machine learns patterns. Let us understand with a simple example. Suppose we want a machine to recognize cats. In traditional programming, we must tell every detail: eyes, ears, shape. But in machine learning, we show thousands of cat images and the machine learns by itself. So, the difference is simple. Artificial intelligence is the big idea. Machine learning is the method that makes it work. Artificial intelligence is the goal. Machine learning is the tool. So, always remember, all machine learning is AI, but not all AI is machine learning. In the next video, we will explore another powerful concept: deep learning. So, stay connected and continue learning AI in the simplest way, because technology does not replace those who understand it. In fact, it empowers them.